Huh? Started out with not shit. F-150 rust bucket looking nasty, then damn thing would shift. No antenna in that bitch, so the FM radio stayed with static on the guitar riffs. I could barely hit a song that was hot. Gas tanks, they burning a fucking hole in my pocket.
Alright, I had somebody ask me about doing a walk around, and I'm going to do as brief a one as I can. But this is my Z. Not sure where to start on the upgrades. Start up front. Okay, let's see here. We got aftermarket rotor, sliders, caliper cover, Cormoto brake lines. We got shock socks, speed spacers, all that good stuff. Let's see here. Got carbon fiber wrapped forks. Back this off. Got our aftermarket sequential blinkers. Those are pretty cool. Got our tie style headlight. This piece was custom painted, as well as the side fairings. My buddy painted those in a gloss black and had put a little bit of a rainbow sparkle that looks real cool in the daytime. Also wrapped the sides there carbon fiber. Green accent bolts all around. We got the Mojo racing bars here. This is our AEM wideband gauge. Got fork toppers here, bolts here. Z125 cover, mirror plugs, got aftermarket levers, got lever covers, got aftermarket grips, but then we have the foam grip covers on top. Highly recommend those. I'm trying to make this quick here. Cover piece here, green LED, regular LED inside, of course. Yeah, decals, same deal on that side. Okay, got a 143 kit, custom painted the engine. Did a kind of a high heat bronze, and I brushed on the green fins. Got the metal piece here. Let me see here. We've got the Morn oil cooler. Painted these green. Painted another part too. Didn't want any red on the bike. Let me see here. Curtis cage, which is awesome. Got our monster hoses here. Cover. We got the rear sets. Oh, I haven't put this back on. I got a little titanium sprocket cover there. What else we got? Aftermarket kickstand. Got the Dyno Tune Nitrous kit, running a dry shot on there. Got sliders hooked to where the pegs would go. LEDs on the bike for a glow kit. Got a Man the Box 30 sprocket. Slider there. Just took the stretch off. I'm digging it. Been having fun with it regular length. Have a seat cowl from Thailand. Aftermarket gas cap. Let's see here. I ditched some of the stickers on the bike. What else we got? Okay, painted caliper. Slider, stickers, Hindle, got a Hindle exhaust. Inside here we got a Vinny ported my head, the V2 head. Like I said, 143. It's got the light and primary, HD clutch, 300 injector, 32mm throttle body, Uni intake, and aftermarket shock. I've added extra heavyweight fork oil to the front, running a little extra in there, but it is stock front shocks technically. And let me see here. I think that's about it. Oh, anti-gravity lithium battery. Have a super starter in this thing. Different plug. Let me see. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, got a IRC quick shifter. Got a Draghi device hooked to it. GPS protection. And yeah, I just put my stock underbelly cowl on here because I did have the big, real cool, big WeBike undercowl, which looked really cool with it stretched. But I feel like with it being regular length, it just looked too, I don't know, looked too round. It's like just one blob of a bike. Now it's got a little more shape. And my buddy Colt told me how to rig this thing on, so got a little protector on that. Anyway, there might be some more stuff, but that's as quick as I can make it, guys. A quick edit. I also forgot we have the integral tail light fender delete. Forget the brand, but I like this one because the blinkers are in. Let's see here. And then, oh, put in the strobe brakes there. Wanted to be extra safe. We got Kenda KD1s, and I think that's it. All right.